Hello everyone, this is part 3 SQL Queries. In our today's lecture, we will perform multiple queries, how to create database and table, adding column in table, changing data type of the column, drop column, truncate table, deleting the data only from the table, not the table structure, drop table, drop multiple tables, and drop databases or delete databases. We'll see all one by one, all these queries. So open SQL Management Studio. Open a new query. Create a database. Create database, name of the database, student. Command completed successfully. So one database is created. Refresh the database list. So here we can refresh again. We can find the student name in the database list. Here that is a database is created. Now create the table. Create table std, name of the table, column names std underscore id, int, primary key not null, identity yes. Std name varchar 50. Execute the query. Command completed successfully. So we'll see in the database. Refresh the database. Open the tables folder. So refresh it again. Let me select the database. Student. Execute. Refresh the list. Okay, here is a one option from here is a list of databases, and there's a drop down menu for the databases. If you will not select the database, so table will be created in any different database. That's why we have to select the required table, required database for the table. Okay, so now if we'll open this database table, you will not see any data. We can transfer the data. So we'll pause the query to transfer the data. Insert into name of the table std, name of the column std, name, then values, then value is abdul. We can insert multiple values at once. Change the names. Rizwan, Ali, Hadi, John, Peter, Alan. So execute the query. Make sure the data will be transferred into the database table. So name of the database is student and name of the table is std. Execute the query. So all rows are affected. We can check the data is transferred or not. The top 200 rows, you can see the same data as we have in here. The same data is transferred to the database table. Now we'll perform multiple queries. So open new query. Name of the database student. The first query will perform adding column in the table. So we'll add column in the table. Alter, increase the font size. Alter, table, name of the table, std, and we are going to add one column. The name of the column is dob and the data type is date. So this is the table name, that is the column name dob, and this is the data type date. So execute the query. Another column is added. Refresh the table. Refresh the database. Okay, so one column is added into the database table. Check the columns. The first column name is std name, the other is dob. The dob just created in the database table. That's the second column, and the data type is date. The next query we are going to perform is changing data type of the column. So before, if you remember, we have given the data type varchar 50. The student name, we are going to change to this another data type. So we can change to nvarchar. Alter, table, name of the table, std, alter, column, alter column, and name of the column, std underscore name. That is the column name, and we are going to change the data type to nvarchar. nvarchar 50. So now you can see here that the type is varchar, and we are going to change this data type varchar to nvarchar. Perform the query. The command completed successfully. Refresh the columns. We can check here nvarchar, so data type is changed. The next query will perform drop column. Drop column. Alter, table, name of the table, std, drop, name of the column, column name is dob. The just dob column is created, so we are going to drop, delete. So you can see command completed successfully. Refresh, and dob column is deleted. So next we are going to truncate the data of the table. Truncate means deleting the data of the table, not the design of the table. So we'll perform query here, truncate, table. Name of the table is std, where we have already inserted the multiple data. So we are going to delete the table. Before, okay, execute. First of all, we'll check the data again. So that's the data we have inserted. Okay, now we are going to delete the data. Perform the query. Now all the data is deleted. Again, open the data table. So all the data is gone. Only data is deleted, not the table structure. All right. After that, we will drop the table. Drop table. Name of the table is std. Perform the query. Query is performed. Refresh the table folder. So the table is gone. After performing the drop table query, table is gone. So that's a query can be used for dropping the tables. Now drop the databases. So we can drop the database. Perform another query. So here we have DB1, DB2, DB3. We can drop the multiple databases at once. Drop. First we'll drop only one, then we'll drop multiple. Drop database. Name of the database is DB3. Execute the query. So you can see here DB1, DB2, DB3. If we'll refresh the database list, DB3 will delete it. DB3 is gone. Now we'll delete the multiple databases at once. DB1 to DB1. Now perform the query. So you can see here DB1, DB2. Refresh the database list. All the databases with the names DB1, DB2 gone, deleted. Now we will perform another query. Drop tables. Now we use before the how to delete the databases. Now we'll drop the database tables. So multiple database tables can be dropped at once. Check this LMS6. There are 3 database tables. We can drop all the tables at once. Drop table. Name of the table, course. Then subject and teachers. Subject and teachers. So different, we can select the database LMS 6. The name of the database table, course, subject and teachers. So we're going to drop multiple tables at once and perform the query. Command completed successfully. Refresh the database tables list. All tables gone from the LMS 6. So that's for today. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.